Hello everyone, special thank you to Lilia in Jenison, Michigan. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. Come with me on a 5-minute journey and I'm going to show you Lilia's American Optical. This is the original Pilot. Now, American Optical is made in America, one of the last few out there. It's an American original since 1833. It's got the really cool leather case with the magnetic snap. It comes with, well, this is all the literature on there. In fact, the really cool thing about the Pilot, I love the cleaning cloth that has the blueprint schematics. Since it is manufactured here, made in the United States, lenses were cut here in the United States by me, but it's got the blueprint on there. That's just a classy touch in my opinion. It's got all the markings on there, the vintage nosepad design, the original front shape, the bayonet temples, the printed AO mark, all of that. But this is what you guys wanted to see. By the way, yes, the original demo lenses are in the bag along with it. You're going to get all the manufacturer's original packaging, including from Zeiss with the prescription highlighted on there. Duravision Sun, the back surface anti-glare that's on her polarized gray lenses. But an American classic. It's a new style lenses, an American classic frame. Old school meets new school. Now, this is purchase number 10 from Lilia from me in less than a year. I do thank you for that. But I just want to show everyone how cool this looks. American-made frames, lenses cut here in America. The lenses came out of Cincinnati, Ohio, mailed to my lab here in North Carolina. I'm cutting them and then getting them shipped today. If anyone has any questions, go to the contact us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. You can call Jigsaw, my partner / apprentice, at 919-491-2411. If you're outside the country and still want American-made frames, go to WhatsApp and just do a +1 in front of that. You can leave a question or comment in the comment section below. We will reach out to you there. But Lilia, thanks for purchase number 10 within the last 12 months. I'll get pair number 11 shipped tomorrow. Those are coming in. It's another American Optical frame with the gold mirrored lenses. So she's going to have a silver Pilot frame and then a gold plastic frame with gold mirrored lenses. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Click on the link above to go to the website. And now hopefully everyone else, wait. Hang on. Let's show everyone. I know I need a female model. But for now, that's what they look like. The bayonet temples, so you can slide these on while you're wearing a helmet. These were originally for military pilots to put on underneath their hard helmets, but you wear them however you like. It has built-in wrap, so it'll curve around anybody's head since they don't curve down behind the ear. But that's it. Thanks again for watching. Click on the link, and now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.